Hello guys. In the last class we have seen the propagation of application event. That means how application event propagates in different directions we have seen. Now we will see the real-time use case of an application event. It is very simple. This is an application. Green one is the application. Inside there are three components: C1, C2, C3. Okay. There are three independent components. Okay. For example, if I search account name here, for example, the account name is ABC. If I submit, that means if I search ABC name, okay, then definitely, or for example, if this account ABC account have two contacts, the two contacts list should be displayed here. And if this ABC account has three opportunities, those three opportunities should display here. Okay. So this is application event. Why So this is an example of application event because so C1, C2, C3 are siblings. Okay, component event cannot travel to siblings. Only application event can travel to siblings. Okay, now I will create one event somewhere outside here. Okay, somewhere here I will create one event. Okay, when user submit, this account will go to this name will go and search in the account list. If it find account, you know it find it it gets this event gets the ID of that account. Based on the ID, we will display the contact list and opportunity list. Okay, let us see the output so that you will get clarity. For example, if I search oil and gas, we have one account, right? For that account there are four contacts and there are many opportunities. This is what actually I want. Okay, this is one component, this is one component, this is another component. Three are independent components. Okay, now what I want, when user searches a name, okay, it finds the account, and if that account have any related contacts and associated opportunities, any associated contacts or any associated opportunities, those contacts and those opportunities I want display here. Okay, let us design this pattern as it is. Okay, I will go the name convention as per the diagram. Okay, developer console, file, new. Let me design first an apex class. Okay, class name is cl underscore 1708 underscore. This is application event real time real time one. No need to copy the class name, it will come. Yeah, so first, any method in the server controller to call in the lightning, it must be ARA enabled. Public static, it display a string. Okay, that means it will give you ID string of, the method name is get account. I get ACC. The method name is get account. Okay, it is expecting some string. Okay, that is ACC name. It is expecting ACC name. Okay, let me query on account ACC equal to select ID comma name comma phone comma industry comma rating from account where name name like percentage plus ACC name. This is the one that I'm talking about. ACC name, yeah, plus percentage. Okay, and limit is 1. Okay, I want to return ACC dot ID. That's it. It's getting saved. Yeah, saved. Now I want to write one more method. Okay, which is also ARA enabled. ARA enabled public static. So this method is expecting list of contact for second component. Sorry, list of contact. Okay, get con list. The method name is get con list. Okay, and this method is expecting ID string, or I can write, this method is expecting ID from otherwise ID otherwise. Okay, component ID CID, it is expecting some CID. Okay, and let's query on contact list of contact con list equal to select ID comma name comma, what are the fields we want? Name, phone, comma, email. From the diagram also you can see name, phone, email we want. Name, phone, email from contact. That's it. Return, it is expecting list of contacts. Return con list. That's it, guys. Save. It is getting saved. Yeah, fine. Now copy this one, paste, public. It is now this time it is expecting list of opportunities. Opportunity. Get OPP list. That is the method name is OPP list. Control C, Control V. This time OPP list. So now this method is expecting name, stage. If you want, you can check out from the diagram. Name, stage, amount. Name, stage, amount from the opportunity. Fine. Save. Yeah, we got 2 errors here. Select ID, name, stage, amount from opportunity. Yeah, it must be stage name. Control S. Yeah, variable does not exist con list. Oh, sorry. Control C, Control V. Yeah, save. It will get saved. Yeah. Now I'll go for new lightning event. Lightning event LE 117 underscore 08 underscore APP event RT1. Yeah. Copy, submit. This is the application event. You keep like this. Let's create one attribute. Name equal to event ID of type string. Save. Next, let's go to new lightning component. This is real-time 1n. Component 1 is C1 underscore copy submit. I think here you don't need to save the uh, components name because the three are independent, but we must write them inside the application, right? That's why I have copied here. So first we need to register the event. So when this component, because C1 is component is firing the event. If the component wants to fire the event, it should register the event. Before that, this component wants to interact with the controller, that is server-side controller. So you must extend the class name is Control C. Save. Okay. So let's define one attribute or a attribute. Sorry, name component account CMACC type account type. Here you can write even just search text also. That's also fine. Default. It is something like new account equal to new account, right? This default. If you don't initialize, you'll get an error like null point error. A subject type. A subject type colon account. Save. Why it is not getting saved? S object type account. Oh, this one is not. Yeah, save. Oh, ara colon. Yeah, save. Yeah. Now to fire the event, it must register the event. Ara register event name. So here the name is of no use, but still we have to give. See, this is second app evt, second application event. Type C colon. The component name is event name is. That's it, guys. This is the registration. Now I'll go for creating lightning card. Lightning card title equal to account search. Icon name equal to standard account. So I will write. I'm controlling the title part of the lightning card with ara set attribute equal to title. I'm controlling the title part of the lightning card. Here I write just I write account. That's it. And now I will control the actions part of the lightning card. Lightning, sorry, lightning button label equal to search. I can write search on click. C dot search me variant equal to brand icon name equal to utility bug. That's it, guys. Now I will give break tag and I will write lightning input to enter the text. Lightning input label equal to enter account name value equal to, guys, this is something like we have taken account type. If it is such type, directly you can write v dot that cmacc. Okay, but it is account type, so you dot name you have to write, because into the name you want to send this value, this uh, the information which is entered by the end user. Okay, that's it, guys. This is end of the uh, C1 component design. Now we'll go for the controller. Yeah, what is the button? Search me. Here the first step is to get the values from the component. The first step is, already we guys know how to make call to the server side controller. Step 1, get the values from attributes of the component, where nm equal to component dot get of v dot cmacc. If it is a text of string type, cmacc is sufficient, but it is of account type, so you should write name. Okay, v dot cmacc dot name we want. Okay, next step 2, get the server side controller method, that is apex class method, where action equal to component dot get of c dot, I think create acc is the so no, get acc is the method name. That's it, get acc. Now step 3, assign the values to the server side controller method. Passing the parameters means action dot set params. It should be JSON format. this, what is this method is expecting ACC name, ACC name colon with NM, we are sending with NM. That's it. Now step 4, set callback for data. Set callback for data. Action dot set callback this comma function. Inside I pass response. You can pass anything, but in real time we use response. Okay, where state equal to response dot get state. If state equal to success, if state equal to success, then where res result equal to response dot get return value. Response dot get return value. I must pass this response. Okay, what is this response? Actually, what is the first method returning? The method get ACC returns a string. Now I am passing these to where I need to pass to the event. This is the event. For this event I want to pass. So how can I pass that to the? How can I pass this event to the? How can I pass this ID to the event? Very simple. First, get the event where evt equal to, as it is a component, application event, $a dot get off e dot c colon application name, event name. I'm very sorry, event name. Yeah, fine, that's it. Now we got the event. So from this event evt, okay, evt dot set params, we are setting the values to the event. Okay, what is this event? Event having one attribute, that is evt id. I just write here evt id colon with what we are passing, res. Okay guys, that's it. Now after passing this, you must fire evt dot fire. That's it. Now event is fired by the component 1. Okay, now as it is a server side call, you must place in the queue. Step 5, enqueue the action. $a dot enqueue action. My action is action. That's it guys. Fine. Response. Yes, fine. That's it. Okay. So component 1 is completely finished. Now I go to component 2. New lightning component. This is C2 component 2. Control C. Submit. Control V. Close the description. Okay. Now event 2 is very simple because we just need to handle the event. Okay. So to handle the event, just come here. This is the, where is the ARA? Oh, in component 1 we are not handling, so you need to write ARA handler here. Okay. Aura handler name is not that because it is a application event, right? So directly go to event equal to C colon event name. What is the event name? Control C, event name. As it is a handler, you must write action. C dot handle me. Handle me. No problem. Okay, spelling is not a mandatory, but whatever the mistake you did here, same mistake if you do in the controller, then it's fine, no problem. Okay, Ara handler we have written. Now I must write a lightning card to display the list of contacts. Lightning card. Okay, icon name equal to, what is the icon name? Standard colon contact. Standard colon contact. Now with the help of Ara set, I will control the lightning card title area. Ara set attribute title. I write bold tag inside list of contacts associated with that searched account. With that account, otherwise fine. So this is the Ara set. Now we control the title part of the lightning card. Now I need to define lightning data table. Lightning data table key field equal to IDI capital. Data. Where is my data? I need to define one attribute here that I need to write here. After that, columns equal to, for this also, I need to define one more attribute. Okay, so let me define two attributes. Ara attribute name equal to C2. This is C2 a component, right? C2 account, C2 ACC. Type list type. Sorry, this is contact type. I'm sorry. Type is contact type. C2 ACC of contact type. Defining one more attribute. Copy, paste. This is component to column. Component to columns, but this is list type. Columns is list type. That's it. Copy, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, save. Oh, we must close. That's it. So yeah, C2 component design is over. Now I go to controller. First, I need to define the table, right? Ara handler handle me. Control C, Control V, where CL column equal to label colon, what is the label last name, field name colon, what is the field name, it must be API name. Okay, control C, control V, control V. If you see the diagram, yeah, I need name, phone, email, three I want. Phone, email, phone, email, type colon, it is phone type. Okay, that's it, saved. Yeah, now I need to assign these columns to the component dot set of v dot c to clms, control C, control C with the cl. That's it, our data table is completely ready. Now our regular steps, now our regular server side. Step 1, what is the step 1? Get the values from component or event, in this case from the event. Okay, because id is there in the event. Okay, so we need to change this a little bit, guys, because id is there. Phone, email from contact, where account id is in cid. That's it, save. Getting, yeah, saved. Here also same, where from opportunity, where account id is in cid, reference field. Yes, fine. Okay, now we need to get the id from the event. Okay, where event id, evt id equal to event dot, already event is filed, so get the param event dot get param, event dot get param. What is the event? If you see event, that's it. Yes, so we pass get event dot get event of the attribute name that is defined in the event. Okay, now step 2, what is step 2? Get the server side controller method, where action equal to component dot get of c dot, the method name is get conlist. That's it, c dot get conlist. Next, step 3, step 3, what is the step 3? Assign the parameters, assign the values to the server side controller method, that is apex class method. Action dot set params, rams, set params, it should be JSON format. It is expecting cid, we are passing with the EVT ID. EVT ID, that's it. So next, step 4, set the callback function for data. Action dot set callback this comma function response where state equal to response dot get state. If state equal to success, where res result equal to response dot get return value. We are setting that to this result having list of contacts. We are setting that with C2 CACC because that I passed as a data in the data table. Component dot set v dot, we are passing with res. That's it. So yeah, last step is there, guys. Step 5, enqueue the action $a dot enqueue action, where action is my action. So that's it, guys. So now let me go for creating the one more component, new lightning component, same C3, copy, submit, close the description. This third component, the same component, whatever we have taken in component to same story. Control C, Control V, but this time C3, opportunity, that's it, guys. There is no change at all. Save. Yes, saved. C3, yeah, fine. Now I go for controller, whatever we defined in the second controller, same story. Control C, Control V, yeah. Component dot C2 C3, sorry, C3 CLM, yes. Same event, we are getting the event passing, yeah, here. Yeah, the method name is get OPP list. Get OPP list. Yeah, get OPP list. That's it. Oh, Copy, yeah. Save. No changes, right? Yes. It is getting saved. Yeah, saved. In place of get con list, I am writing get OPP list. Yeah, same BEVT ID. Same that method also expecting CID. Yeah, CID only. Yes. Success. Yeah, it is C3. Yes. That's it. Everything is same. Now I will define one application A1. Sorry, where is the cursor? Yeah. Submit. Yeah, we got application. Close the description. Extends force colon SLDS. Here there are three layouts, right? So I just write lightning layout. Lightning layout. Sorry, layout. Multiple rows. Multiple rows equal to true. Otherwise, they all come in one line, right? So inside, oh sorry, inside I will create lightning layout item size. The first one I want complete, so I'm giving 12, size 12. Inside that I am calling the first component. Nice, very systematic. C colon control V. That's it, guys. Control C, control V, control V. This time it is 6 because I want the next list of opportunity and list of contacts should be on one line. So I'm sharing the screen with 6. It should be C2 component and it should be C3 component. Control S, preview. It is loading. Yeah. If I write some oil, oh my god, somewhere we did mistake. Unable to find action get con list on the controller. C2 controller. Callback failed. Okay. C2 controller get. C2 application controller. Yes. Get con list. Component dot get c dot get con list. It is correct only. But it is not able to identify. Save all. Is it ARA enabled? Yeah, ARA enabled only. Get con list control C. C1, C1, C2. Con list. NQ action. Event dot get param. One more time. Update preview. Ashok. Maybe this doesn't have any contacts. Let's type Burlington Textile. You must need to refresh it. Unable to find action. Get con list on the controller. Callback failed. CL 1708 app event real time. Action. Get C2 app real time one. Failing descriptor. Guys, this one it is not find get con list means maybe, yeah, we must write controller. Name of the class. Where is second controller? Yeah, control V. Save. Similar is the case for third component as well. Save. Going for application. Update review. Account name. Write oil. Search. Fine. But why it is not displaying list of opportunity? Let us go to the third component. Yeah, it is 3. While copying and pasting, we should be very careful. 3, 3. Yeah, fine. Control S. I hope it will come now. Oil. Yeah, here we go. Thank you. Thank you, guys.